Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got a 2011 Nissan Titan SV. We keep a lot of pickup trucks down here, but we don't get very many of these Titans. It's hard to find them without the paint all faded on the body, but this one's in great shape. It's white with chrome. It's got the fog lights on there. It's got the little rain guards over the windows. Fixed running boards. It boasts a 5.6 liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive. In the back bumper there, it's got the backup sensors. And underneath it there, the dual exhaust. In the back window, it does roll down there. It's got a drop-in bed liner. Tires are decent on it. It's alloy rims. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this thing. In the door, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. The driver's seat is power. Very little wear appears on the driver's seat. Really good shape. Inside, we got storage in the center console. More storage there. Cup holders. You got your tow mode, your AC, your typical heat and air. You got a 6 CD changer in the radio. Let me see where I put the, here is the key. As you can see there, it is four-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see, it's got 141,000 miles. Not bad at all. Aside from the tire light blinking, there are no warning lights on. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the four-wheel drive. So as you can see, it's shifting to 4 low, and we can see there's power to all 4 tires there now. So now if we put it back in 4 high, the 4 low sign goes away and we still have power to all 4 tires. And then we can just flip it back to 2 and it disengages the four-wheel drive. So the four-wheel drive does work. We've got cruise control, our Bluetooth for the phone, fog lights and automatic lights there. Back seats are in great shape. Little 12-volt charger there. These, sorry, it takes 2 hands to lift these seats up, but you can lift them up for more workroom in the back. Again, very clean. Seat will fold up. Dash is in good shape. Little extra storage right there. Passenger seat is also great shape. Clean little truck right here. Let's take a look under that hood. As you can see, 5.6 liter V8. Pretty clean under there. Love to get you approved on this truck. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, file an application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.